Just a quick update on my FluidNC pendant for CNC controllers. So as you can see, currently working. Got a little MKS DLC 32 V2. But yeah, so I've actually got some of the features working now, and it doesn't boot loop when you're connected to a controller, which was something that took me a while to fix. But yeah, so as you can see, it actually does work now. Actually has physical control. Oops, if that's Y-axis, Z-axis. So yeah, it's definitely working now. It's still quite a few things to fix, as you can see by the fact that there's overlaps and whatnot, but yeah, generally pretty happy with that. So yeah, I'll keep plugging away. Oh, that works. So press green to read. Yeah, cool. So yeah, it lives. Like I said, quite a few things to finish off, but yeah, the new firmware is definitely getting there.